In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo or watermark to a video using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method and works great if you want to protect your content, add branding, or place a simple watermark on your videos without using expensive editing software. VLC is already installed on many computers, and most people don't realize it can do much more than just play videos. I'll walk you through every step, from adding the logo preview to permanently saving it into the video file. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, go ahead and open the video you want to add the logo or watermark to. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top menu and then selecting Open File, or by simply dragging and dropping your video directly into the VLC window. Make sure the video plays correctly before moving on. Next, go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Effects and Filters. This will open a new window with several tabs. From here, click on the Video Effects tab, and then switch to the Overlay tab. This section is where VLC allows you to place a logo or image on top of your video during playback. Now, check the box that says Add Logo. Once you enable this option, you'll see more settings become available. Click the three dots next to the logo option to browse your computer and select the image file you want to use as your watermark. This can be a PNG, JPEG, or another common image format. For best results, use a transparent PNG logo. After selecting your logo, you can adjust its position on the screen. Use the top and left pixel values to move the logo exactly where you want it to appear in the video. You can also use the opacity slider to control how transparent the logo looks. Lower opacity works well for watermarks, while higher opacity is better for branding. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Close. At this stage, the logo will appear during playback, but it is not permanently saved into the video yet. Now we move on to the most important part, which is saving the video with the logo embedded. Go back to the top menu and click on Media, then choose Convert/Save. In the new window, click Add to select the same video file again, and then click Convert/Save at the bottom. In the Profile section, choose MP4, MPE4, MP4 as the output format. Next to it, click the wrench icon to edit the profile settings. In the Profile Settings window, go to the Video Codec tab, and then click on Filters. Here, make sure you check the box that says Logo Video Filter. This step is critical because without it, the logo will not be saved into the final video. Click Save to confirm the profile settings. Then click Browse to choose where you want to save the new video file and give it a new file name so it doesn't overwrite the original. Once everything is set, click Start. VLC will now process the video and permanently embed the logo or watermark into the file. Depending on the video length, this may take a few moments. And that's it. Once the process is complete, open the new video file and you'll see your logo or watermark fully saved into the video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical VLC and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.